If you were going to start a winning Shopify pet dropshipping store, you're going to want to know exactly what collection and what products to put in your store, especially leading into Q4. And that's what this video is going to be all about, and how you guys can prepare yourself to win before Q4, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas. This is the best time of year to get started with your Shopify store. These products are not only winning, but they're high margin, which means high profit for you, and killer upsell potential leading into Q4, everybody. So you're going to want to learn this and understand why they work and how it is that they're working, and so you guys can get in front of the wave. If you're getting ready to catch the wave and you're a surfer, you got to start paddling before the wave hits, you guys, and that's what this is all about. First up is this Magic Cat Scratch Organ Board. We get it for around $6, and we could sell it upwards of $39, you guys. Incredible margins right here on this one. It's part toy, part gym, and part cat scratcher. And leading into Q4, this is a perfect product for parents, kitty parents, to buy this for them, especially those that want to spoil their kittens. A great product, great margins, awesome store right here. And they launched this back on June 5th, you guys, June 5th, and they're already killing it with like about 4,000, 5,000 likes and 428 shares. So doing a great job already and just launched. Next is the hands-free dog leash, and it's perfect for dogs that tug and pull, and it doesn't hurt their neck at all, you guys. It's perfect for joggers and walkers. It allows them to be completely hands-free, and it doesn't pull on the dog's neck. We get it for around $5, $6, you guys. Really great margins on this, and we could sell it upwards of $39. No joke. And I like what this person's doing. They're offering a free ebook, PDF book to remove ticks from dogs. So it provides extra value to the customer and allows them to want to order more, and also see the perceived value is a little bit higher. Great product, solving a problem with great profit margins, guys, and great videos. Check them out. This next product is called the Pet Hair Removal Glove, and it's completely evergreen. And we want to try to sell one and give one for free. And we only pay more than about $5 or $6, you guys, for the 2-pack. And so it doesn't cost us very much, but we could sell it for very high. And this is a new technology, which I like. And one of the things that they're doing here that I really like is they're offering free cat hair catcher laundry balls with every purchase. So these are the little balls right here that they're going to give away, and they're very cheap. They're no more than $1, but yet it makes the person have higher perceived value and want to order the product. Great marketing videos. It really solves a big problem, which is cat hair everywhere. And there's no other product out there that actually does it like this. So it really does solve a huge issue, and it's really super effective. Here's another great product to add to your collection and really give you guys the authority and let people have options. It's called a electric nail trimmer for cats and dogs. And as you can see here, it does work, and this does solve a major problem. And one of the things that I like most about it is we get this for around $5 or $6, you guys, not much at all. And we can sell it upwards of $39. So if I was going to advertise it, I would have mine at $39. But if you're just going to add it to your store and build your collection, maybe you can put $29 and you get away with it. What I'm sharing with you is the power of the collection. People love options, and people love to look at stores as an authority type figure. And when you're sending traffic to your store and you're sending it to a collection of all your hot products, it allows you guys to build up your AOV, which is your average order value. Someone's like, man, those laundry balls look amazing. Wow, I never thought about that nail trimmer. Next thing you know, you got 3 products that someone added to their cart instead of you just directing someone straight to one product, and then you look like a one-product store. So it builds your authority, it gives people options, what they love, and allows you guys to get a higher AOV. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys are getting value already. Those of you that stayed to the end, I'm going to give you another group of winning products like this back seat, car seat protector when you're going to the beach, summertime. This right here is an amazing high profit margin product. We can buy this for around $15 and sell it up in our store for about $89, you guys. Great. Here's another awesome product. It's right in line with that leash, portable leash. It's a portable water bowl that stretches out, and you can see here which colors are the most popular, the red, the pink, and this is an awesome product, especially this time of year when it's really hot out. Here's a 3-in-1 cat brush, a dog brush, and I have one right here. It works amazing. I was selling this last year. It's a hot winning product. Here's another one. It helps you wash your dog in the shower. You put some soap in there. Awesome product. Only costs us about $2 or $3. You could sell it upwards of $29. Here is some reusable training pads. How many of you guys buy urine pads for your dog and that you got to put in the trash? Here's reusable ones that don't cost us very much and don't smell at all. That's another great product. This one too, it's a cat water mat. It's also for dogs, and it's perfect for this summertime. So as they're out and about, they can, put their paws on a water type pat and it won't actually break the water in your house. So that's super cool. And this would be a great high AOV product. AOV. Here's another one. It's a cat water bottle, dog water bottle. When you're out walking your dog or cat, you got water, you got food, and also you got trash to pick up, for if they go poo-poo. So this is another great product. Costs us about $5 or $6. We can sell upwards of $39, $49. All right, here's another one, guys. That's a dog cat harness leash. You got large, small, XL, and everything. And this is a great one with like neoprene material, really soft, really strong and sturdy. And you could tell like this is a great collar. This last product is blowing up, you guys. It's a laundry shoe bag you put in the laundry, and this thing is literally going crazy numbers right now. So if you guys got dirty shoes and you're a pet owner, a dog owner, or kids, you want to wash their shoes, you put your shoes inside there and put it in the laundry. And this product is going crazy with sales. And you want to do the 1-pack, 2-pack, 3-pack, and do all the different bundles with this puppy. If you guys want to skip the trial and error and build a hot winning Shopify dropshipping store, I will help you set up these high converting product pages. I'll even help you guys manage your Facebook ads. An extra thing that I also do that my team does is that we handle all of your customer service. So when you're getting inquiries from different people, you guys can focus on growth and manage and leverage the experience of my team that handles all the customer service, and let me even manage your Facebook ads, everybody. So that way you have real experience behind you running your advertising, running your customer service, and you can focus on what products that you're going to launch, what products you're going to add to your store, and I will make sure that they're perfectly ready to go so you guys can skip that trial and error and actually start making a winning success at this. So if you like any one of this, give this video a like and reach out to me below. I got my Calendly link. You guys can book a Zoom call with me absolutely free, and I love to get to know you guys and see how we can help get you to your goals, especially going into Q4. All right, everyone, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.